Hi, I'm Anya Lim. I am the co-founder, managing, and creative director of Anthill Fabric Gallery. You'll probably hear my dog at the background, so this is as authentic as it can get. And apologies for that. So what have I been doing to keep myself creative over the course of the quarantine? I've been joining a lot of webinars, a lot of forums, and thinking of ideas on how we can pivot as a business, brainstorming with the team on what we can do given the limited resources that we have to ensure business continuity and to fulfill our commitment to provide sustainable income and livelihood to our team and also our partner community artisans. The first place I'm going to go to after the ECQ is lifted is definitely head to the beach. I'll probably drive south of Cebu and go to my favorite retreat place, which is MOALBOAL. Driving south is something that I really enjoy doing alone, and probably detour to a waterfall trek and just really enjoy the outdoors, soak up what we have missed out on the past 5 to 6 weeks or so. I did a lot of panic buying on the first week and bought, vegetables, overstocked on vegetables. I was just worried that I'd have too much processed food and canned goods and wanted to make sure I'd have a balanced meal. The quarantine has taught me to be patient, to really put my energy and focus on the things that I can control and let go and surrender things that we don't really have any control of. What's the one thing that I couldn't live without during the quarantine? My dog, which is my sole companion during the course of the quarantine. So I can't imagine going through it without him. Words of wisdom. I hope that during this time of isolation, we have honored the power of pause and really kind of reflected on our lives and our ways. And I hope that we come out of the quarantine renewed and mindful and more reflective of the way we live our lives, the way we consume, and realize that everything that we have is more than enough for us.